is December 25th. It's my birthday today. It's Krys' birthday today. And just look what my baby did for me. Look what my baby did. Oh, shit. She's too cute. Get it.
The candles got it?
Yeah, babe. They heart-shaped and everything. She's too cute.
I was gonna look. So guys, good morning. We back. I could not leave the crib without that. I could not leave it when she wake up, so
I appreciate you, babe.
Come sit down, come sit down.
It's my birthday.
Love you.
I love you too. This is so sweet because I literally forgot that I asked for decorations. I look crazy because I just woke up.
Yeah, it's okay.
Don't. What do they?
Alright guys, so look, this is just the start of our morning. Right now we are chilling, you know, sitting down. We're about to go into eating or opening gifts.
Yep. I feel like opening gifts, but I feel like brushing my teeth is the right thing to do.
Okay, let's go. Let's brush your teeth.
While I do that, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Alright, you know the vibes.
Okay. So, I guess I'm opening up my gifts first.
And now she's opening up her gift. You're wrapping.
Hey, where you get the tape from? Yeah, I don't think.
I brought tape. I brought tape last week. I bought gift. Look guys, I bought a lot of Christmas stuff for wrapping the previous week. So when that does come to be, I can, you know, get it done.
So how am I supposed to open this now, babe?
Huh?
I'm supposed to open it now.
Not a knife?
No, scissors is fine. What is this? What is this? What is this? Okay. Miss Dior? Yes, thank you, babe. Y'all, this smells so good.
Ah, you remember. And that's Eau de Parfum. That's not the toilet water.
And I saw an email from you when I went through his phone. I saw an email from Perfuana. I didn't look at it. I didn't know what
Look. You didn't see this. But look.
I did, but I want to smell the Miss Dior. I might wear this Miss Dior today.
Samples.
Look at this Miss Dior. This is nice. Cool.
Yeah, I know. They don't come in big sizes.
I know. That's how the perfumes are. Yo, look at this Miss Dior, yo. I'm about to smell spectacular. I appreciate the trip, the cabin, the gifts that you pre-bought for me. I appreciate you, bro.
Thank you.
Just for you.
You look right ahead of message.
Yeah. Babe.
Those can last for 3 years.
Babe.
What's up?
Purple roses? Purple roses? My favorite color is purple. Yo.
It's 18 roses.
Look at this deep purple.
It's 18 roses.
Like, yo.
It's 18 roses.
This is too nice.
That
Thank
will
you.
last 3 years.
3 years?
I got one more gift that's gonna be on the 28th. You're gonna be home, so when you get it, just open it up and just look at it, check it out.
Yo, my baby got me purple roses. Like, what is that on period?
I was gonna bring it to you in the morning, but you woke up too fast. You should have just kept. Why you didn't just play dead?
I was, but I wanted to figure out if he was opening your gift because I heard him like fizzling with paper.
I wouldn't do that to you. I wouldn't open the gift while you sleeping.
I did that to my mom.
Alright, that's your mom, man. Your mom not gonna be mad at you for that long. She gonna be like, oh, you open the gift, and then, you know.
My baby's 22 years old. So I couldn't be more proud to call you my daughter.
Mama love. Mama love. Alright. You want me to go? You want me to start?
Yes, sir. Please. I want to have a second card here. But
I want you to read that.
Oh, you want me to read it?
Yeah, read it.
Let me finish your pint, mother.
Okay. Babe, do you know I ordered that 13 times? 13 times?
You ordered it 13?
13 freaking times.
Why did you order it so much?
Alright, so I was trying to order it off of Amazon and it kept canceling. I don't know what was going on. I'm like, yo, I got money in my account. I got money in my credit card. What's going on? So I started using my debit and my credit card. Neither one is not going through. So I'm like, wait.
Where's it from?
Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. So the thing is, when I was getting the purchase cleared, this is what's funny, right? I bought this, right? When I bought this, I bought the rose petals. So when I bought it, that way, it went through. When I added the rose petals in this, it went through. When I kept trying to buy this individually, it was not going through.
Where? From Amazon?
But yes, I ordered it from me. Honestly, the thing is, why was it doing that? And then it almost didn't come. It was supposed to be on the delivery.
Oh, David was calling. Hello, sir.
Good morning, what's up?
Good morning.
Damian.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Damian.
Merry Christmas.
Merry
Thank
Christmas.
you.
Merry Christmas to you too. What's that on?
Well, so it is time for Q to open up his gifts. The camera died, so I kind of open up the rest of my gifts off camera.
Yes.
Like, it's my birthday, I can do that. I got some money and some pajamas and some heartfelt cards. So now it's time for Q. I'll hand him his gifts, cause here.
Okay. I'm gonna wait for you. Sit down. Okay. All right, guys. Let's see. That's some good boxes. Where do you get your boxes from?
My boxes. You like boxes?
Dang, I should have asked you. They got extra garbage bags?
Yeah.
Let's go get one right now. I don't want to have this all over the floor. Alright guys, so I just opened the box. I didn't open it completely yet. We're gonna go get a garbage bag first because I don't want to get too messy. And you know, I like to clean while I do. So let's go! Yes! I wanted this tag. How you get it? I cannot find this tag.
You did?
Babe, yes.
Babe, I had it for a month. Like I said, everything gets sold out.
You see the dark brown one? I wanted this one, and they didn't have it in the store. Yes! I got another tag. Woo!
Everything gets sold out, so I always come and buy it a month before.
Come on.
Okay?
Come on.
And I knew that was gonna look mad good on him. I knew that was something you would want. That would just look too good on him.
Yes. Oh, this stuff. Oh, this is
Open
a new
it.
one?
Yes. Open it.
See, that's why I bought tape. Yeah, that car about to be. Oh, it's gonna be better.
Yeah. We have the big gray bag.
Babe, I didn't know they're doing this to them now.
Yep. That's what I said, yeah.
This is good. They got the. Oh, yes. See, guys, I don't think I'm gonna try it on right now. Oh, I like this. They got the zipper pockets. See, I'm not gonna try these on right now, babe. Cause I gotta open up the hoodie.
I'm like,
This is a good fit too. Babe, this tech is hard. This shit is hard. Bear with us, guys. Alright. I got good nails. You gotta do everything the clean way. Cause when we pack that car, it's gonna be a little bit more probably. I did buy a hat.
I only tip it on two sides.
Huh?
I only tip it on two sides. This, I want you to try on.
New coupe. Yeah, take off. Cause I don't even pay her. Yes! Yes! I've been waiting for so damn long. Yo, guys, this company Black Taylor, right? They make cargo pants. Huh?
I can see the label on it.
Black Taylor. Look, this right here is a cargo brand company. I've been wanting a pair of these since I first met her. Guys, I think this is the best one. I know I got the tech, but this right here, I gotta try this on. Oh my god, babe. Babe. It's green?
Mm-hmm.
I thought it was blue.
I gotta let you be different.
And the hat I just got is green.
You gotta be different.
Yes!
Be different.
I got them!
You gotta be different. I had my baby dressing different. Like, these cargo pants are so different.
Oh no, this is fire though. These is... No, hold on, I gotta try this on.
I bought myself some pants too.
Black Taylor?
Two.
Is it full? What's the front? Oh, this. Babe, I like that. I got it in the front.
And you can tighten it on the sides right here.
Oh, I like this. It's thick.
What? Those look mad good on you.
This is a different look.
Right? Yo, look.
Nah, this is a different look. I like this. This is really different. This make me, I feel like Travis Scott right now. Yeah!
Show them the detail of it.
Alright guys, so look. Let me move this back a little bit. Look. They got the pockets, right? Then you got the side pockets. There's two side pockets. Oh, it's zippers.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, mad pockets with it.
Okay, I see. This for design. But I still like this. This is different. You see? I like this. This is for design. Alright, so pockets. This Airbnb is nice and toasty. I know the outfits look nice and toasty. Oh, yes! Again! Ooh, it got me red. Let's go.
To go with your shoes. And no, to go with that sweater.
What sweater?
The Kobe sweater.
What Kobe sweater?
The red, yellow, black.
That's a Jordan sweater, baby.
Oh.
Oh my god, babe. You about to let me create the outfit now. You know why?
And I saw the shoes he was gonna get. I was like, yo, those pants, got it.
It's a pair of Jordans that I... Oh, no.
You like the pockets on those? You don't like the pockets on this.
There's mad pockets.
Mad pockets.
Hold up. Guys, we're gonna count the pockets. Bear with me. Oh, this is the pairs. These are the ones I wanted. These are like the ones that they used to make. The first ones. With the strap in the front. And the black thing on the top. Yep. These are the ones. These are the beginning. Babe, don't tell me it's too I was about to say, that's OD. I like this. Alright, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, no. God damn. 10, 11,
12,
12, 13,
14, 15.
Oh no, it's 16 pockets. Why is the 16 pockets on a pair of jeans? I could go in the store and steal anything. Nah,
Never gotta bring a bag.
I feel like a kid right now. I'm actually not excited. Oh, these just look good on me.
It's a slim leg fit.
I like the fabric that they have in their jeans.
Yeah, it's thick and
It's thick and strong. It's durable. You can tell it's durable.
You're not supposed to wash it.
You're not supposed to wash it.
Like with other clothes. It's supposed
Okay.
to wash it by itself. No
These are-
detergent. No softener.
Damn, these is
Those look mad good on
hard.
you.
Nah, these, I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, get into the pants though. Get into it.
Nah, let me zip
Get
this up.
into it.
Oh, I like this. I really like this. This right here is nice.
Kid.
Black Taylor, baby. Shout out to Black Taylor, man. Shout out to Black Taylor. That's all I can say.
Like, look at those pockets. Look at that.
Nah, the way they hit the ankle and they stand on my leg, I'm tagging it.
Pockets in the corner. Like, what?
I got pockets everywhere.
What?
Babe, I'm crying. This is Jason. I'm crying. I was looking like Jason Penney's. Black Taylor do not have that in this house, in this store. I know this. Alright. I love you, man. Yeah. I can play Xbox with Dave. I can play. Yo, y'all gonna see me. I'm telling y'all. 2K, Call of Duty, GTA.
It's the digital version, so I got you your 3-month unlimited access.
Oh, you got me a membership? I already have membership too. So I'm gonna save that because I already have 3 months due to the backbone.
I know. And then this is an extra 3 months.
Okay.
And then this is from my mother.
I gotta breathe. Hold up.
You excited?
You know when you like so excited?
You look like a kid just now. This is from my mom to Courtney.
Awesome. Miss Hall?
Open this one first.
This one?
Limited edition.
Yo, I ain't never have a custom remote in my life. Look, I come from the PlayStation 1, PlayStation 2, Xbox 360, Xbox One. But this is fire. I'm wearing that blue hoodie while I play the Xbox. Nah, hold up. Nah, this is OD. I'm gonna break the box. I'm not even gonna break the box. I'm gonna just... Wait, we got a remote, right?
It's 2 remotes.
Now, if she wanna play the game. Thank you, Miss Hall. Sis. I feel like this is cologne. Am I right? rechargeable battery. What's this?
So the remote to charge it.
It is?
It's a rechargeable battery.
Rechargeable battery.
The remotes use batteries.
But this is the one you can charge.
Yeah.
This is valid.
Yeah.
I might not have to buy. Oh, I don't have to buy batteries like that neither. Guys, she hit. I think she hit every neuron in my brain just now. My throat's a little scratchy right now. I'm very excited. I want to break the Xbox open and play it in here, but we are not gonna do that. Ben, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. Yes.
I'm so happy that my baby likes his gifts, and I love my gifts. The gift that keeps giving,
Happy birthday.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. All right, guys.
Merry Christmas,
Merry Christmas to you all.
And
we love you.
Don't forget to subscribe.
You know the vibes. Look, I'm Q.
And I'm Krys.
You don't want to miss.
Like, comment, share.
Subscribe. Peace.
Peace.